Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2018 Q50. They already busted this window a few times throughout the year. So basically the customer had enough, so she gave us a call and we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. And we also did the door bypass so nobody busts out that keyhole and shuts off the factory alarm. It will go off this time if the door is open. And basically what happened to these vehicles from factory, they don't come with any type of impact sensors. The only way it works is somebody opens the door and that will trigger the alarm. So what they do, they break a window and jump in without opening any of the doors. So we went ahead and added the shock, so if anybody tries to bust out that keyhole or they try to take the rims and tires or they break another window next time, the alarm will go off. I'm going to go ahead and bang in the glass for a second. Shut it off. You just hit unlock the same way you were doing before. I'm going to rearm it. When you arm it, factory alarms do have a little delay. You're going to notice a little lock right there by the speedometer. It's like a little picture of a little car in red with a little key in it. It's going to be solid red. And then once it starts flashing, and that means the alarm is already in the arm mode. That delay is not us. That's the way basically every car that we do a factory alarm upgrade has that little delay, which is fine. Nobody's going to break into your car in 10-15 seconds prior to you exiting the vehicle. I mean, that will be beyond crazy. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you in case they try to bust out these lug nut locks to take the rims and tires. Okay, I think it's ready now. Okay, the alarm will ring. If this alarm goes off for any reason, it's going to ring for 3.5 minutes and it'll reset. So if the customer's away on vacation or at work and they took another car to work or whatnot and they're not around the vehicle at the mall, whatever, it's going to ring for 3.5 minutes. It's not going to sit there and ring 3.5 hours while you're away from the vehicle. So you don't have to worry about it, even if it's a little too sensitive and you may get a little false triggers on thunder or whatnot. It will go off, but it will ring for 3.5 minutes. This is a little sensitive because the customer wanted it that way. She doesn't mind a little false trigger once in a while. But if you're one of those customers that hate the alarm going off for no reason, the shock sensor, it is fully adjustable. I can guarantee you I can set it so it will not go off. And you don't have to worry about thunders or you know, somebody driving around the neighborhood with a loud exhaust or whatnot. So you can adjust the sensitivity. A lot of times we show the customer or the owner of the vehicle how to adjust to himself, so you can pretty much turn it up and down and do it yourself. It's not a big deal. But this is the shock sensor add-on. The last test we're going to do, I'm going to bang in the key cylinder, like if I'm busting this keyhole. And that will trigger the alarm. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. This is on a 2018 Q50 Infiniti. Thank you for watching this video.